If you have ever wanted to record your screen for a video, or if you're looking for a free screen recorder for your computer or laptop, you probably don't know which software is actually good and safe to use. Many screen recorders ask for payment or are difficult to understand. In this video, I will show you how to install ShareX screen recorder for free step by step. Let's get started. First, open Chrome, go to the search bar and type in get.sharex.com. Once you click on search, it's gonna take you directly to this website. Then you're gonna click on the download button here. As you can see here, there are 5 options. The ones I want you to focus on are these first 3: setup, portable, and dev build. Now I'm gonna explain to you the difference between these 3 so you can choose the one that fits your needs. The setup version is for installing ShareX on your computer like a regular app. The portable version does not need an installation because you can just directly open it from a folder or USB drive. Dev build is a testing version with new features. It might have some bugs. This option is for users who want to try the latest update. But I recommend the setup version because it's the easiest to use. Once you choose the one that fits your needs, you're gonna click on it. We're gonna click here. You're gonna wait for a few seconds until it's downloaded. Then you're gonna go to the top right and open the downloads folder. Then you're gonna click on the file that we have downloaded. Once you open the file, you're gonna go here and click on I accept the agreement, then click on next, then next again, then click on next, then click on install. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.